Ahoy crew, Skipper Chris here. As you may remember, last year we decided to move away from a traditional based antifoul to a non-biocide silicon based antifoul. The antifoul that we went for were the Silic One from Hempel. The Silic One is a 3-stage system which can be applied directly onto an old antifoul if the antifoul is in a good condition. However, we decided to remove the old antifoul before we applied one coat of conversion primer, followed by the tie coat which bonds the silicone to the yacht, and finishing off with 2 coats of the silicone-based paint. Just a reminder, for the application there are very important factors with respect to the temperature, humidity, curing time, when to recoat, application time, that means the pot lifetime. We were very lucky as our Swan was in the shed when we did the initial application, so we were not exposed to wind, rain or sun, which is a problem faced by most cruising sailors. One of the downsides of Silic One is that extra care has to be taken when lifting in and out due to the slippery nature of the silicone-based antifoul. You need to inform your yard that you have Silic One antifoul. We had some damages when we were lifted out that we need to repair prior to the relaunch. All in all, we love this paint. Environmental friendly, low maintenance, no sanding. This paint is a game changer.
Amazing, isn't it? Silic One.
And we're actually quite happy with the performance of it. You can see here we have some barnacles here, but you can just remove them with your fingers like this. So, full marks to Silic One. In March, after reapplying 1 coat of the silicone-based paint, the Hempel Silic One is good for 2 years of cruising. We plan to test this performance claim. In 2025 and 26, we will cruise non-stop, starting by crossing the Atlantic to Newfoundland, sail south along the coast of North America to Bahamas and the Caribbean, before we start exploring South America, celebrating Christmas in Ushuaia, Patagonia. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you at the high seas. Stay tuned.